Welcome to the Belgium vlog.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute.
Happy New Year if this is your first time watching my travel vlog. We're going to two countries. We're going to the Netherlands, but stopping by Belgium. The stopover of Belgium is long enough and I can vlog content for you guys. Outfit of the day, very casual. This is an M&S jumper, M&S jeggings. I'm just gonna wear trainers. I'm not gonna vlog the Netherlands a lot because you guys have seen my move to the Netherlands. I'll put the link here so you can watch it. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed, click that button. I hope you've been enjoying my adult over 30s lifestyle sit down videos. I'm loving them and I'm grateful for all of your interactions today. How do you like my no makeup makeup?
It's alright.
Do you know what? This is 13. We are in Brussels. We made it to Brussels. So my train to Amsterdam is in, I think, 40 minutes. And I want to show you guys Brussels. This is a very short, the shortest travel vlog you're ever gonna have. So let me take you out. I've literally just come out of the station because I want to take you guys out to Brussels. Are you ready for a tour? Okay, this is what it looks like. So currently it is focusing on me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you all there is to see. This is literally the Brussels train station that brought me from London. It took about two hours. Yes, 2 hours. It was the easiest trip ever. And I'm so excited because I finally come back again. I've been to Brussels before, but I have never vlogged it. Let me show you guys a bit of Brussels and then I'll pop the camera and I'll just goof about. Shall we do that? If you have not subscribed to it now, please click that button. So in case you want to find where to stay right outside of Brussels Airport, this is basically Pullman Hotel. I think that's a hotel. Yeah, it's basically just right outside of the Brussels Midi train station. So if you were considering coming to Brussels, you just got the hint, okay? You guys, I'm loving this. Like, this feels so good. Oh my god, I still love my makeup. I am loving it. So I showed you guys the outside of Brussels train station. Why don't I take you guys inside to show you what the inside of the train station, kind of give you a mini tour. And you've been to Brussels with me, okay? I need to also take pictures for thumbnail. I don't know which one. I think I'm gonna take one here. So I need somebody to help me take a picture there, just in front of the station. So why don't we do that before we go back inside?
Changement de voie. Le train hissé à destination de Bruxelles Airport, Zaventem, de 16h35 partira de la voie 16:55 zal vertrekken van Spoorlijn. In plaats van
So guys, we've come to the other end of the Brussels train station exit, and on the back end is literally, I don't know if you can see it, it's the parking hotel. On the other end, parking by Radisson. So on one end there was the Pullman. Oh, I'm actually just looking across from my camera here and I can see the IB. So there's lots of hotels in this Brussels train station, which means it's quite central. I was quite keen to buy ketchup here because the last time I was here in 2019, the ketchup tastes different and so good, but I can't seem to see where to buy it, and I don't want to miss my train to Amsterdam on the account of ketchup. I hope you can hear me, it's quite loud. I don't want to miss my train to Amsterdam on the account of ketchup, so I think I'm gonna give it a miss and I'm gonna go and find my train because it's in 20 minutes and I don't want a long story. So I hope you've enjoyed this vlog, 20 minutes in Brussels we should call it. Hope you've enjoyed it because I've enjoyed shooting. I wasn't sure if I was going to get a chance to show you guys something tangible, but I'm glad that we did this together, and I'm also glad that I've documented this for my own benefit because the last time I was here we went to Mini Europe and I didn't even vlog it. So guys, I tell a lie, I actually vlogged Mini Europe and I just found the footages, so if you'd like to see it, tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, share this with your friend, your neighbor, your dog, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.